Okay. Adam Schiff is under attack because he dares to do his job. But let's find out why. Why is he under attack? Everyone stands with him. They can't make him step down. And his rebuttal was amazing. Because he said it to your face, not on some news show somewhere. Made you look like fools. He said that treason is not okay, basically, and sad for you that you think it's okay. So, why is he under attack? And how will attacking him help or hurt the Republicans who share his committee? Let's look at why he's under attack. Let's see. Temperance. Meeting of the minds. This is not there. So let's see what's surrounding this card. Two of Swords. Deadlock and stalemate. Him versus the GOP. The Tower. They're trying to bring him down. They work together, fighting now, bringing him down, trying to. The Lovers. But those who stand with him are standing in your way. Four of Cups. There is an offer. Please step down. Seven of Cups. Many choices. Confusion, as we all are. Nine of Pentacles. No, we're not really confused. I mean, we know why they're doing it, but let's see. Nine of Pentacles. Protecting interest. That's what I get from that. Three of Swords. Separation. Betrayal. Us. Because like I said, those who stand with him. And then betrayal. If you ever vote for a Republican ever again, and they have this same sort of platform and attitude that these modern day Republicans vote for, you are a fool in the strongest sense of the word. The Hangman. They're trying to bind him. Ten of Swords. And then take him out. Eight of Wands. They're doing it through their voice because that's the way they do. Four of Swords. Take a retreat. The Star. There's hope. Page of Pentacles. News of money. The Hermit. Isolation. Searching for answers and truth. Ten of Pentacles. This is exactly what I thought. Okay, so they work together. Supposed to, anyway. But there's a stalemate and a deadlock. I want you, if I could get you to focus on that camera, that would be great. That is a human you won't focus at all. Sometimes I hate you. There's a human, and this is not a human. This is a mermaid deck is what it's called. So he is literally fighting with something that does not behave like a normal human. Which is why he gave his speech the way he did, that I don't think treason is okay. And I feel sorry for you that you do. Because now we have the disagreement and trying to take him down. But this is more of a crumbling of the institution. Like, the tower cards usually show a piece of the building being taken out, but this is like the whole half of it. Because literally half of our government is operating on a plane of reality that none of us are. The Republicans do not care about this country, nor its people, period. If they can go through this display that they did at that hearing, that's what that says. Because we're going to show you why in a minute. So, working together, he's working with people who do not behave like humans. The institution is crumbling because of them. And then here we are caught in the middle. But we stand with him, so he's going nowhere. There is a offer for him to go away. It is for the sake of self-interest. This is the Nine of Pentacles card of luxury and stability and security. Self-interest. And betrayal. When you decode self-interest, this is what it says. The tarot was not pulling a punch on that one. Betrayal. Because if they are okay with treason, that's betrayal as a party. Stagnation. The sad part about this is that while he is fighting for answers, they are doing the opposite, which leads to the Intel Committee being stuck and stagnant. And then they lose precious time, they lose resources, they lose people, they lose support, they lose ground, they lose progression, they lose a lot of things. Devastating loss. Communication, this is the words. This is how they do battle. Pen is mightier than the sword. And then again, the way we started with the stuck and stagnation, now we're just at a resting period. Now we just sort of, we sit and we blankly stare at one another until one blinks. All of it was for self-interest and betrayal. Here's your proof. The star, that's hope, that's healing. But money is on the line. This is money news. Searching for answers. Searching for truth. But protecting the money. The self-interest. This is like the family money. Protecting it. The generational money. Protecting it. One person searching for answers, the other person protecting self-interest. So when he sits there and they say, we need you to step down, the reason is because he is too close to their self-interest. That would uncover their betrayal. They're not comfortable with that. So they do all they can, like Devin Nunes, to try to bind him, to try to bind that committee, to try to waste time, to protect the interest. That's the GOP for you. A fish in a net.